Okay, so we're continuing the garden cleaning up and lawnmower robot preparation job, project, whatever you want to call it, here in Europe, Germany. So I pressure washed these stones and also used the weed whacker with a brush attachment, wire brush, and there's just so much stuff. I mean, this is usually I just use a shovel and it's just back-breaking work. The only advantage here, it's a disadvantage and an advantage. The disadvantage is stuff, grass and everything grows up in between. Here it's because an ant colony set up shop here, and they put their mound all the way out. I guess that's what, 5 meters? About 4 or 5 meters. And then the wind blew the grass and the grass stuck and then started growing here. I find it really annoying that sometimes I have to cut the grass on my own garden, not garden, but driveway. But the grass takes root and then all of the thorn bushes come out. And they come from everywhere, I don't know where. But this used to be bushes and hedges, and now it's only been a year since I cut it back, and it grew out 1 meter, 2 meters. So anyway, I've already started pulling out some spots that had the thorn bushes came and made root, and they were growing out between the bushes. I have a bucket here full of roots and stuff I've had to pull out. And so the disadvantage is grass and whatever plant can take root here and start growing. Advantage is you can take it apart and pull them out. But what you're supposed to do is make this really perfectly even and flat, and pound it down with a little planer machine that's kind of like sits there and hops up and down on it. But to do little sections, you can't really do that. You kind of like hope for the best. I guess you can smash it down, but it was when it was installed. Anyway, the ground is now uneven anyway because it's been settling here for 50 to 100 years. So this is how much I got done. I haven't installed the wire yet because I'm just going to do this whole runway first and then install the wire for the motor for the lawnmower robot. But anyway, as you can see, there's fairly large roots here that have grown through the stones, and I have to just take them apart and cut it off by hand. I've already tried the weed whacker and the grinder, and just not powerful enough. I need a little bulldozer excavator out here to really get this stuff done, but then I destroy the stones. So anyway, I still have the rest of this to do here. I tried to rinse all the dirt and mud away with pressure washer, but I guess I just have too low power of a pressure washer. I kind of would like to get the fire truck out here and just blast this away with the fire truck, but I'm not sure if the volunteer fire department would let me do that. But anyway, so this is progress.